oversupply. Currently, it's oversupply. Okay. So here I show you also who is supplying the panels. Mostly from China and Taiwan. Okay, it's around 56%. All these PV panels are generated in China area or Taiwan. Okay. The other area is Europe, Japan, and US. However, who is buying the panels? Mostly is from Europe, okay, and it's around 70%, and then Japan and US and Canada. So obviously you can see what someone making the panels, but other people buy the panels. Okay. So it's like the world situation is different. Because of course it's because of the cost. Okay? And you want to make a profit, you need to make the product at low price. So here I will show you the top 10 manufacturers. Actually, this is old data. But I couldn't find the newest data. As previously seen, you should have find this one, Suntech, Inli, Jinko Solar are from China. Okay, and the other one is Maltech in Taiwan. NEO. These 5 companies can generate 50% in the world. The other company, Sharp in Japan, MTK, JA Solar Canadian from the US. And most of them are fabricating the silicon solar cell. Just the first solar, they fabricate later, I will cover a little bit. CDTE, okay. Cadmium Terra, thin film technology. So who is buying the PV panels? You can see here, mostly from Europe, from Germany, 70.74 gigawatt. And Italy, Japan, USA. Okay. But right now the situation is changing because Germany already leading the market for a period of time. However, from this year, USA, America start booming. And also, you all know the tragedy, the tsunami tragedy from Japan. In Japan, so they start to focus on this area very, very much. Also, the China is also want to encourage their domestic area to install all the PV panels. So here, I give you an idea. In 2010, the market size is only 18, but last year is around 25 gigawatt. The growth year to year is over 100%. It's growing in the market. Okay, so what kind of cost structure in the silicon technology and the thin film technology? Here is from the DuPont company. They can show you. You see, this is the silicon technology. You have a cell. To look into the structure, the silicon matter, silicon material, the cost already cost you 42%, which means you need to pay a lot for the silicon wafer. Okay, this is the main bottleneck for this kind of technology. So later I will show you the price. I will show you 2 prices. One is silicon price. The other one is the module price. So why the silicon price is so important to the market is because the cost structure. Okay. So here you can see it's already occupied 42%. However, in thin film technology, except for those thin film deposition technology, the glass is also occupied at 36%. However, the glass is very normal. It's just normal soda lime glass, which means what you see with your window is the soda lime glass. We didn't use a very specific or advanced technology for the material. But for silicon wafer, you need to have a very pure silicon ingot, and then you need to get a silicon wafer. That's why the price is so high. So this price is from just 2 weeks ago. Okay. Right now, the silicon price, spot price, is average is $30 per kilo, okay, per kilo. And the module price means I just show you this one panel, okay. if you can calculate, if this is 250, this is around 1. Okay, just give you one panel is $250. One panel is $250. You may not have any concept with this price. Now I will show you why people are shopping. This is 2 years ago, 3 years ago, okay, 2009. The module price is around 2.5, okay? And right now, it's dropped to around $1. So it's 2.5 times. If we assume this is $200, and right now it's only less than $100. If you are the company, what would you think? Okay, and can you sell your panel for each second or 1 second? No, you sold your panels like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. You see the price dropping? It's so fast. Okay, so nobody can make a profit. That's the reason. And look at the polysilicon, even more amazing. Okay, 3 years ago or 2 years and a half ago, it's 120 US dollars per kilo. Today, $20. And 6 times. 6 times. So the material cost will drop. The module prices will also drop. So this is the situation currently in the market. So nobody making profit. But however, we still want to push this market because everyone keeps saying green energy. However, you need to survive before you can do a contribution to the world. Okay, just to let you have a very clear image what's going on right now in the market. Why every day you see a bad news with solar industry. This is the main reason. What's the reason for the price dropping? Because the expansion is too fast. Okay, in China, the expansion is too fast. Okay? People are investing lots of money to generate more polysilicon, so the price keep dropping. Okay, so what kind of panel we are fabricating in the market? I'll just show you here the P-type, N-type. I just show you the structure before. You can have a different semiconductor to absorb the light. And this just show you the light. But you just need to pay attention to this figure. This is efficiency. So of course we want to push the efficiency to a higher area. Okay, currently it's around 70%. 70% means you have 100. If you have 100 photons coming in, you have only 70 electrons being generated. Okay, this is so-called efficiency. You can think of that way, right? So it's still very low. So we want to push this number to even higher in the future. This is our main goal. So how about in the future? So these 2 years and the 3 years is a very important period for this industry because it's been the price has been dropped to the area people are thinking is so-called grid parity. The grid parity means the price has been equal from the PV panel. The electricity generated, the price you need to pay is equal to the core power plant. Okay, which means you pay every day right now. If you buy the PV panel, it should be the same. Okay, that is the price. We call the grid parity. Okay. However, it's like the internet booming 2000 happened in 2000 years. So this caused some damage to the industry. Too fast. It's too fast. As you can see here, it's 2013. This is a forecast from 2010. You can see will be over 25 gigawatt in this gigawatt. And in 2014 it will be 30. Right now it's even more. And still, so who are using these panels? Mostly still from Europe. Okay, but right now it's changing. The China, the USA is changing. But still, the Europe still have the most installation. The production, you can see still, just pay attention to this bar. This dark color can give you an idea of the silicon. This is crystalline silicon. This lighter color gives you a thin film. It's around 75% of the silicon technology and 25% of the thin film technology. You can see here the production capacity is over 60 gigawatt. However, the need, the demand is only 30. And still, this situation will remain for I cannot say how long, but it's still like that way. So people need to think about the future. From the company view, so you need to think what's your strategy to avoid the damage from the price drop. Okay, like I said, 75% still from silicon technology and 25% from the silicon. So here is the research part. So ARIA is American government-owned institution. Can give you, this is not very clear. So far, the highest efficiency generated from a gallium arsenide, which is used in outer space. Okay, you could not see that. Maybe you can see that in the market. If you can see the concentrator, or I didn't.